Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you on how to create a Facebook group gamit ang iyong mobile phone. Ang dali lang guys, just follow this step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so first thing first, open your Facebook app. Next is i-click mo itong 3 horizontal lines na nasa upper right portion guys. Once you're here is i-click mo na itong group. Kung hindi mo makita sa taas guys, scroll down ka lang, baka nasa ibaba, okay? And then dito guys is may makikita kang plus sign sa itaas. So i-click mo yan at pindutin mo itong create a group. So now you can name your group. Alright, so ang gagawin kong Facebook group is all about sa mga food lovers. Kaya ito yung ipapangalan ko guys. Next is i-click mo itong down arrow. Automatic na nakaselect yung public guys. Pero kung gusto mo private, so i-click lamang itong private. Okay? After that, pindutin ang done. Then, click create group. Ayan, so na-create na yung group guys. So ang next mong gagawin is mag-invite ng friends to join your Facebook group. Okay, so mag-invite lang ako ng few friends. So after mo mag-invite is i-click mo na itong next. At ngayon ay mag-add naman ako ng cover photo. To add a cover photo is i-click lamang itong edit. So may na-prepare na po akong cover design guys. So i-select ko lang ito at makikita niyo sa screen guys yung proper size ng cover photo design para sa iyong Facebook group. After that, pindutin ang save. Okay, so uploading pa lang siya guys. So babalikan natin ay mamaya. So lalabas yung na-upload natin na cover photo. So for now is i-click muna natin itong next. Ngayon is maglagay ka ng description para sa iyong Facebook group. For example, this one. Then after mo makalagay ng description guys is i-click mo na itong next. Ngayon is mag-create naman ako ng post. I-tap lamang itong write something. Ayan, so may na-prepare na po akong ipopost ko dito guys. Okay, so lagyan natin ng caption. Then, click post. Ayan, so uploading pa. Alright, so nandito na yung cover photo na in-upload ko kanina guys. At na-upload na rin yung first post para dito sa aking Facebook group. And there you have it guys. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. Kung gusto mo pang matuto more about Facebook, just click the videos on the screen. Alright, thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life.